LinkedIn Learning Training AI Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online learning platforms wrong. They assume all courses are generic and impersonal. The surprising truth about LinkedIn Learning Training AI is that it combines AI-driven recommendations with professional development courses, and you won't believe how personalized your learning path can become. Here's how it works. LinkedIn Learning offers thousands of courses across business, technology, creative skills, and more. Its AI analyzes your profile, career goals, and past learning habits to suggest relevant courses. This means you're not just scrolling through a catalog, you're getting a curated roadmap to improve your skills efficiently. For example, a marketing professional might be recommending courses on digital advertising, data analytics, and content strategy based on their LinkedIn profile and current industry trends. Most people get this wrong. They assume online courses are one size fits all, but LinkedIn Learning's AI ensures the content is tailored to your growth areas. Additional features include progress tracking, quizzes, certificates, and integration with LinkedIn profiles, so you can showcase completed courses to employers. Users praise the platform for its convenience, professional relevance, and actionable insights. However, there are considerations. Some courses are brief and introductory, so advanced learners may need additional resources. Most people assume the AI will replace career guidance. While helpful, human mentorship still adds value for complex career decisions. In conclusion, LinkedIn Learning Training AI is ideal for professionals looking to upskill efficiently with personalized recommendations. It saves time, improves learning outcomes, and helps you stay competitive in your industry. Subscribe for more honest reviews of online learning and professional development tools.